Children, do you know which person is this? Yeah, he is very strong. What he need to do to be very strong, children? What we can include in our food to be very healthy? Yeah, the food which gives us energy, the food which can protect us from being illness, and the food which help you to grow. All these are possible if we include one food in our daily routine. Okay, which animal is this, children? Yes, you are very familiar with this animal. Which animal is this? Yeah, it's a cow. What food we get from the cow? What we get from cow to drink? Yeah, it is milk. Do you like to drink milk? Yes, drinking milk can keep you very energetic. It will help you to grow and it will protect you from being sick. Okay, that is why we call milk as a complete food. What is milk? Milk is a complete food because milk gives us energy, it helps us to grow and it protects us from being sick. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the second and third lessons from block 10, milk and milk products. Then we need food. Next I will show you the pictures of some products made out of milk. Look at the picture all of you. What is this? Some of the products you may very familiar. Okay, what is this? This one we are including in our daily food. Yeah, what is this? Curd. Okay, the spelling I will write on the board. Carefully listen, okay? C-U-R-D. Curd we are making out of milk. Then which is next, children? Yeah, it's paneer. P-A-N-E-E-R. Paneer. Then it is khoya. What is khoya? Yes, khoya is also a milk product. K-H-O-Y-A. Khoya. Then next one. Yeah, this one we are having with chapati and bread. Do you like its taste? Yeah, I like very much. Yes, it is butter. B-U-T-T-E-R. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Then the last one. Yes, ghee. G-H-E-E. Do you know some other examples for milk products? So I told you, children, these are all made out of milk. All these products we are making from milk. So these are all milk products. What is this? Milk products. Milk products we can call in another way also. Instead of milk products, we can call them dairy products. What we can say? Yes, dairy products. It is not your diary that you are using to write. Okay, the spelling is bit different. Your diary is D-I-A-R-Y, right? Yes, this diary is D-A-I-R-Y. Instead of milk products, we can use another word, that is D-A-I-R-Y. Dairy products. Okay. Now you take your workbook, all of you. Then write today's date on the top and read the heading. Milk and milk products. Okay. Milk and milk products. The first question. Where does milk come from? Which animal is giving milk for us? Yes, write it there. Then the next question. What can we do with milk? What can we do with milk? Yeah, with milk we can do many things. What we can do? Yeah, we can drink the milk, that you know already, and also we can prepare many products. We can make many products using milk. And then the second question we wrote already. Then the third question. What are some things that we can made from milk? Name some things that we can make from milk. We discussed already just before the milk products. Names of milk products you can write there. Then the last question, why do we call milk as a complete food? Why do we call milk as a complete food? I told you in the beginning, right? We will get energy after drinking milk. Milk can protect us from being sick. Then also drinking of milk will help you to grow. That 3 reasons you should write there in your own sentence. Okay. Then we are moving to the next lesson, children. What is the name of our next lesson? Need for food. Why we are having food on time? What is the need of having food? Yes, food have different roles to play in our body. It is doing many functions in our body, which are body building, energy and protective. We need to know the different food and its role in our body. So, shall we discuss it now? Ready? See the picture, children. Who are they? Yes, they are soldiers. They need to be very strong and they need to be energetic and alert always. The soldiers are very strong when we compare with other people. So what are they including in their daily food to be very strong? Yes, it is some pulses like beans, dal, also milk can keep them very strong. Okay, so these are the examples for the food that will keep the people very strong. Shall we write it on the board? Okay. Egg, pulses, P-U-L, then milk. Helps us to be very strong. Make us strong. Then what is this, children? Yes, these are cereals. Tell me examples for cereals. Rice, wheat and oats. Very good. Bread, bananas, cereals and milk give us energy. Okay. It can keep our energy level very high. Which are the food I told you? Yes. Bread, banana, then yes, cereals, then milk. These food can keep you more energetic, make us energetic. Then children, if you include more fruits and vegetables in your daily food, it will protect you from falling sick. Okay, it will give you resistance capacity. The diseases will not touch you if you include fruits and vegetables in your daily food. Okay, try to include more fruits and vegetables in your daily food and drink 1 glass of milk every day. Okay, so which are the food that protect you from falling sick? Yes, fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, and vegetables. protect us from falling sick. Okay, shall we discuss it once again? Egg, pulses, milk. Egg, pulses, milk. Examples for pulses you may know already. Which are they? Egg, pulses, milk. Which are the examples for pulses? Pea, beans, dal. These food make us very strong. Okay, these food make us very strong. Then bread, banana, cereals and milk. Examples for cereals? Yes, rice, wheat and oats that you studied in our last class. Okay, these food can make us very energetic. Which are the food that give us more energy, children? Bread, banana, cereals and milk. Milk we can write everywhere because I told you in the beginning, right? Yes, milk is a complete food. Then fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables protect us from falling sick. Children, now I will help you to complete S3 Now workbook. Write the same date on the top and try to read the heading. What is the heading? Need for food. Okay, let me read the first question. Draw a smiley face if the sentence is true. Okay, I will read the sentences. If it is true, you have to draw a smiley face there. We need food to live and grow. The first sentence, we need food to live and grow. Then the second one, we get energy from food. We get energy from food. Then third one, we get sick from eating good food. Is it so, children? What are you thinking? We get sick from eating food. Then we get protection by eating fruits. We get protection by eating fruits. Then the last one, we become weak by drinking milk. We get weak by drinking milk. What kind of food is milk? Yeah, we know that milk is a complete food. Then what are you thinking? The sentence is true or false? Yes. Okay then. Then the second question, underline the food item that help us to grow. Circle the food item that give us energy. Draw a box around the food item that keep us safe. Okay. We already studied the examples for different groups of food that give us energy. Then the food item that make us strong, and also the food that give us protection from getting sick. Okay, try to identify those. And you have to underline some, and you have to circle some food, and also you have to draw box for some food also. Do it yourself, okay? Without anyone's help, you have to find it out. Then the third question, why do we need to eat food item from all the 3 food groups every day? Why it is needed to eat from all the families of food? Okay, we need to eat all food item from all the 3 groups every day. Why, children? Yes, we need to get all the nutrients they give us. Right? Then only we can be very healthy and fit. Okay, children? Okay. Are you able to complete S3 now? Yes, I hope so. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me through WhatsApp. And also try to eat healthy food. Stay safe. Okay, thank you.